I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your QuickBooks Time plan from a trial or a lower plan. We'll walk through each screen you'll see in QuickBooks Online and make sure you know exactly what to expect before you confirm the change. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. For this process, you'll want to use the primary admin profile because only the primary admin can upgrade the plan. If you're not the primary admin, pause here and ask that person to complete the upgrade or assign you the right permissions. Once you're in, look to the top right and click the gear icon. From the menu that opens, select Subscriptions and Billing. This takes you to your company's subscription page, where you can manage all the products tied to this company file. If you manage multiple companies, double-check that you're in the correct one before you proceed. On this page, find QuickBooks Time. You'll typically see the QuickBooks Time Premium card with options such as Upgrade your plan, Subscribe, or if you're still on a trial, an Upgrade your plan button that starts billing. Go ahead and click Upgrade your plan. If you see Subscribe instead, that simply means your trial is ending and you're moving to a paid plan. The flow is the same. Next, choose the QuickBooks Time plan that fits your needs, for example, moving from Premium to Elite. The comparison on the screen will highlight what each tier offers, so take a moment to review the features and make sure you're selecting the level that matches your team's workflow. Think about the tools you actually use day to day, so you're investing in the right capabilities. Now review pricing and billing. Here you can select monthly or annual billing. Monthly provides flexibility, while annual usually offers a lower effective rate but is billed upfront. Look closely at the totals, including any applicable taxes, so you know exactly what will appear on your next invoice. If the pricing is user-based, confirm that it reflects your current headcount. When everything looks good, confirm and complete the upgrade. The change takes effect immediately. You'll keep all your existing team data and time entries, and you'll gain access to the new features right away. If you don't see changes right after upgrading, refresh your browser or sign out and back in to reload your account with a new plan. And that's how to upgrade your QuickBooks Time plan. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.